Alright, and welcome back. Long time making a video, but here we go. So this is an ASSA Stenman, Sverige, or Sweden. It doesn't have any markings on the body, but I'm pretty sure this is an ASSA. Bought this second hand online, got it pretty cheap, and I don't know how rare these are, but I think I'm gonna keep this one. I sent one of these locks to Red Eye, and it has a all brass body, hardened steel shackle, really thick, and a removable oval cylinder inside. So I thought we'd try to pick it, see how that goes. Place it in the vise like that. So let's see what we can find. I'll try the GoSo pointy hook, and maybe a medium tension wrench. So let's try it. I have picked this one a couple of times, but it was quite a while ago. That's number 5. I think it's a 5-pin. I can count the pins. Yeah, it's a 5-pinner. Five. Number 4, 3, 2 and 1 is springy. How about raking? I've got my trusty triple peak. Easing it up on the tension, raking a bit. See what happens. Oh, and we got it open. Fantastic. Okay. I bet there are no security pins other than 5 tapered pins. 5 tapered drivers in this one. I'm not gonna bother opening it. No, forget it. Anyway, that's a very nice, solid ASSA massive lock. Pretty worn key. Someone made a soldering job on it, saving that key. Probably the original key from, like, I don't know, 1826 or something. I don't know. Yeah. So that's today's video, and thank you for watching, and I will return sometime. We'll see. Alright, take care and see ya.